Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make this panda Momo desk buddy from an air dry clay I made at home. I first begin by making the Momo. I do this by rolling out a thin sheet of tan clay and placing some scrap clay in between. I then fold in the top by starting out on one side and going around. I then go on to make the head of the panda and stick it on top of the Momo. For the eyes I take two round black clay balls and make them into a tear shape before flattening them out. I also add in a nose. For the mouth and a part of the nose, I roll out a thin snake of black clay and then stick it all in place with TVARI glue. For the ears, I take two small black balls and make indents in it before sticking it on. For the hands and legs, I cut equal pairs from a snake of black clay. Before sticking it on, I make 4 indents in the Momo and then apply glue. For the Momo tray, I flatten some tan clay into a strip of about 1 cm width. I then stick it around the clay circle. I then further make a thinner strip and stick it over the first strip. I add a little texture here to mimic wood. For the handles, I roll out a thin snake of the same color clay and cut 2 equal bits. I then bend these into shape before sticking them onto the Momo tray. I then stick the Momo panda onto the tray. For the hat, I roll out an orangish brown clay. I then cut equal rectangles and place them in a crisscross pattern. I then add texture to this. Finally, I cut this into a circle and stick it onto the panda. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more such contents.